What's up, guys? Today's Tuesday, July 3rd. Yesterday we decided to plan a spontaneous trip to Hamilton to go check out some waterfalls. So today we leave to go to Hamilton. We're staying there for 2 nights and 3 days, and we're gonna find some sweet waterfalls and have a lot of fun there. So we're gonna vlog the whole time, and yeah, I'm gonna share this video on YouTube so y'all can see it. So y'all, what's up? And we're gonna be leaving right now and heading over to Hamilton. Okay, we're killing some Taco Bell, and then we're off to Hamilton.
Well, we're on our way now. The back seat's all packed. Got some snacks. We got stuff in the trunk that you can't see. We're going.
Got all of my film gear, basically everything that I have I brought, just in case. We're on our way now. We're actually now heading there. We're no longer in Taco Bell. We're on our way to Hamilton.
Pretty soon we're gonna be finding waterfalls.
Scouting the waterfalls. So, just a little update on the trip. We made it to West Lorne, and we're stopping here to go pee, and maybe, no, that's about it. We're just going pee. And then Nicole's gonna start driving, and I'm gonna film some B-roll and stuff on the rest of the trip. So yeah, we're gonna go pee, and then we'll be back in the car. See you there. Bye. Just made it onto the 403, and we're headed towards Hamilton/Brantford area, and we will be settled up in Hamilton in less than an hour. You're on a mission to find an otter.
Yeah, when I see an otter,
Well,
pet it and watch it float on its back.
well, that could very well happen. Apparently there's otters here, so we'll see what happens. Okay, we're at a parking garage in a mall in Hamilton, and this is our first official stop on the trip, and we're literally just going to the bathroom here, checking out the mall. That's it. We've been in Hamilton for less than an hour. We're already lost. Shit. Alright, we found a parking garage, but it's not our parking garage, so we're still lost. And we don't know where the hell our car is, so hopefully we're not lost forever and we actually get our way to our B&B, because this sucks right now. Alright, we're headed in the right direction, so that's a good sign. We'll be there soon. Okay, we actually made it to our car. There it is. So now we're going to our Airbnb, and we're gonna drop off some of our shit and then continue on exploring Hamilton. Okay, so we made it. We're in our Airbnb, and we're gonna be going for dinner at this place called the Aberdeen. Hopefully it's good. And then we're gonna go check out our first waterfall of the trip, and we're just gonna pick one that's relatively close to here so that we don't have to travel very far. And yeah, then I don't know what we're doing from there, so see what's up. Bye. Right now we're gonna be going for dinner. We're going to, I said the Aberdeen earlier, that's not where we're going. Apparently that place is really expensive, so that's not where we're going. We're going to I don't know, one of these places behind me or up there. I don't know, one of these places. It's called the West Town Grill. Apparently it's supposed to be really good and a fair price. I don't know what she's doing. She must have dropped all the chains on the ground. She was just picking it all up. Yeah, there she is. She's paying for parking out in the heat, having troubles with the machine. And yeah, we're just getting ready for dinner. It's gonna be great. We're gonna eat some food, and then we're gonna check out our first waterfall. I know we're going at it big. We're just gonna dive right in. There's 4 that we want to hit up because we found this magnet that had 4 waterfalls on it, and so we want to see at least all 4 of those. And so we're gonna start early and go see them. Starting tonight, we're gonna go see one and maybe get a cool sunset there or something. Who knows? Should be fun. See you guys there. Bye. That parking meter just stole like $3 from us and didn't even give us a ticket. So now we gotta go find somewhere else to park. This is bullshit. This is round 2 trying to pay for parking for dinner, and hopefully this machine doesn't steal our money. Great success.
What's the date today?
July 3rd.
What the fuck?
What?
Oh. God damn it.
What?
If we would have waited 15 more minutes, parking's free, I think.
Yep.
I was like, why does this expire at 6?
Well,
Oh my god.
how do you feel, honey?
Annoyed.
You ready for dinner?
My hair. Yes.
Okay, so we just ate dinner. Now we're walking back to our car, which is right here actually. And then we're gonna go to our first waterfall. What one are we going to first?
Tiffany Falls. There's actually 2 in one area, and it's a conservation, so you can walk around.
So that's cool. See you guys there. So we just went to Tiffany Falls. It was pretty cool. We got some shots there. That was the first one. And didn't seem to find the other waterfall that's supposed to be here. Here we are. We're going to falls number 2. This is Cliffview Falls. I don't know if you can hear it in the background there, but we're very close already, and it wasn't too far from the other one, so Hamilton's sick.
This whole city is just built around waterfalls.
Yeah, definitely. That's why it's called the Waterfall City, right?
I wonder why everyone here is jacked.
Because they're actually active, unlike at home. I feel like if this was in Windsor, they would just get rid of it and build up over it and be like, nope. Yeah. A hoverboard path. Like, oh no, we can't expect our Windsorites to walk. That's absurd. Tomorrow's gonna be a great day. Hopefully, we don't have to waste any part of the day traveling. We'll kind of have our roots around the city because we've been here for a day, and we'll be able to find things easier. So we'll have a much better day tomorrow. More interesting, more fun in the video, hopefully too. This is nearing the end of day 1, and so far we've seen one good waterfall and a sketchy one.
Oh, we gotta look at it from the top.
Yeah, that's true. We gotta look at it from the top. And we made it to Hamilton. We're gonna go to bed soon and then wake up early, maybe rent a kayak hopefully, and have a good day tomorrow. So we're gonna take some shots of the sunset here, because as you can see, it's going down. And then we'll probably head back to our Airbnb and have a good day. Bye. Here goes the challenge. Up all these stairs. So now we're climbing the stairs that we had to come down. And on the way down there was like a million. So we're not looking for this way up at all. Should be fun though. Not. Okay, so we climbed up 3 sets, had a break already.
Is this how many steps there are?
I think so, yeah. So the stairs are actually numbered, so I can tell you how many steps we climb when we get closer to the top. Right now we're at 90, so that's a couple. Yeah, we might be halfway. I don't know if you can see all those stairs. I'm gonna throw up. Where is she?
This is embarrassing.
The point of this trip was to get in shape, and it's definitely kicking our butt. Well, it was to have fun mostly, but
We did not expect this.
yeah, there's a lot of stairs.
I expected hiking, not stairs.
Okay, we wandered off the path a little bit to see if there's anything better this way, just because we found that there was a path off the stairs, and we both thought we were gonna die if we climbed any more stairs. So, taking a little breather and exploring this path.
This is bringing us back down.
I think you might be right. That was towering as fuck. We did 289 stairs. And we're very out of shape.